If you have a PowerPoint presentation, then you can import that out over here inside of Prezi Video and then use it out as presentation content as well. So to do that over here, you can see that I have a new file. You can click on import, or you can click on the three dot icon right here and then click on import from here. And over here, you can click on add from computer. So once you do that, you can navigate around to the folder where you have your PowerPoint presentation, click on it and click on open. So once you do that, you can see that it is being imported out right here, as you can see. So the PowerPoint file is being imported, as you can see right here. So it's loading out just like this, as you can see, and it is being converted onto a Prezi video file right here. So here are your PowerPoint presentations, as you can see, and depending on the template that you have in your Prezi video, you can see that the transitions are applied. You can also present it full screen, as you can see right here, and you can see that you can move from one slide to the next and present it in your video as well. You can also go around, add in text right here just like this, and the text is seen over here below the slide just like this, but not in the full screen view over here. You can do the same over here as well. You can add in a text right here, and there you go. It is displayed out as an image, so you can see your video right here, or have it full screen over here, as you can see right there. So that is how you can import out PowerPoint presentations inside of your Prezi video project. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.